Hello. I want to share ILIFE V5s plus robot vacuum and mop combo with Wi-Fi, app, Alexa. Automatic self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner. About item. ILIFE V5s Plus has both vacuuming and mopping functions thanks to its 300 ml dustbin and 300 ml water tank. Allows it to clean up dust, debris and pet hair effectively from hardwood, tile, laminate and low-pile carpet, as well as mop up spills and stains with its wet mopping system. The intelligent control water tank offers 3-level water outlet, gentle, standard and strong, which can be controlled by app. Control the V5s Plus with ease through its remote control or the ILIFE Home app on your smartphone. Functions like real-time cleaning route monitoring, cleaning time schedule, suction power and water outlet adjusting can be easily achieved through the app. ILIFE V5s Plus is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can start or stop the cleaning task of the robot cleaner with voice command, making cleaning even more convenient and intelligent. Get best price and discount. Click link in description. Like, share and subscribe for support my channel. See you.